Model, 2014 Citroen Berlingo Partner 625 Lux HDI 12 months MOT runs and drives excellent. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 187712. MOT, the 14th of February 2026. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 it.DC. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in great condition and it pulls well in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, 12 months MOT, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740